Gotta stay alert.
This is messing up my hair. Whoa, this is fancy. I'm here for the party.
Say what? We've got a dress code.
What do you mean? Oh, this is awkward. Okay, I better change. This shouldn't take long. Ooh, this looks good. I'll try it on. Wow, this really suits me. I'll need shoes to match. Let's see. They'll go well with my outfit. Ooh, I love them! Now I need some accessories. That's what makes an outfit. I'll go for something shiny. This is perfect. Can't forget about a handbag. I'll go for this one. I think that's everything. I'm ready to party. Let's go. Ahem. Is this more like the dress code?
You nailed it. Now, about the fee.
The what? Are you serious? Meh, it'll be worth it. I'll use my credit card. Wait a second. I might have a problem. I need to go.
Okay, that was weird.
What an amazing sleep. Ow! My neck! That really hurts. I need to fix this. I better stretch it out. Time for some yoga. I hope this works. Ow! Ouch! Wow, I'm so unfit. Wait, this isn't right. I can't move my leg! Ugh, I'm trapped! Ugh, this top isn't good for working out. I need to make some adjustments. I know what to do. I'll twist it in the middle. Then I'll bunch it together. Okay, let's try this again. This should be a lot easier. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm a yoga master. Okay, I can do this! This is harder than it looks. Gotta keep going! That was the best yet! I definitely worked up a sweat. Let's see how much I lost. I'm so nervous. Wow, I don't believe it! I knew that would work! I better try on some clothes. What should I wear first? Ugh, why did I buy this? That's so not my look. Ooh, my jeans. Wait, they're huge! I can't wear these. Back they go. This might be promising. I'll give it a go. Ooh, that's cute. But it's on the big side. But I know how to fix it. I'll just use my hair ties. I'll pinch the top of the skirt, then wrap the hair tie around it. What about my top? It's gotta go. Ooh, this might do. It's not ideal, but it'll have to do. Who am I kidding? It's like something my dad would wear. But I have an idea. I'll turn it around. Hang on, I'm not finished. I'll pull the shirt up. Then I'll tie it at the back. Just like this. So far so good. But it still needs work. I'll roll up the sleeves. Then fold over the seam. Wow, what a difference! Wait, something isn't right. I'll spin the skirt around. That's more like it. Now I need a bag. Okay, I'm ready. My clothes are washed. Now I need to fold them. This is the easy part. I'm on a roll. Hold on. How did that happen? Oh, I remember. No way! Okay, speak soon. Bye! Huh? Did I do that? This is supposed to go on the painting! Wow, I'm so talented. Oh, I like this top. It's ruined. Wait, I know. I think I can improve this. All I need is bleach. Let's get to work. I'll squirt bleach over the top. I'll let it drip down. Nice and easy does it. That should be enough. Now I'll wait. Look at this. It looks so stylish. I wish all my clothes were like this. Woohoo! Maybe they could be. I still have a lot of bleach. Time to strut my stuff. Oh, so chic. Yeah, I get that all the time. Excuse me, coming through. Oh no, you don't. Whoa! Oh, are you okay? How did that happen? Look at my shoe! Ooh, that's not good. I know what to do. I'll need this. What is she doing? I'll build an easel on the heel. Then I'll grab my glue gun. I'll add a small dab here. Then stick a brush to it. But I'm not done. I'll need to add some color. These paints will do the job. Then I'll place a canvas on the easel. They look great! Time to get creative. I'll make my own masterpiece. I'll paint a flower. Mother Nature will be proud. I better add some leaves. Check this out. It's pretty good, huh? Can she do that? Wow. Huh?
Bravo! You win!
Really? You mean it? Oh, come on! That's not fair. A little glue, and that's it! I love these pencils! Wow! Hey! What are you doing? We're going out, remember? Oh no, the party! You better get ready. Luckily, I'm here to help. Let's see what's in here. Are you kidding me? I guess I need to clean. This is disgusting. What else is in here? Pretend you didn't see those. It'll be my pleasure. Let's try a different drawer. Huh, what's this? I guess this'll do. Put it on. This is my color! But it's not very glamorous. I'm not finished. We can use this belt. Are you sure about this? How does it look? Ugh, not good. We need to think of something else. Aha! What's that? My glue gun! Watch this. I'll make a pattern with the glue, just like this. I'll need to make it bigger. I'll work my way around the edge. Then I'll wait for the glue to set. Next, I'll add some color. I'll use blue spray paint. I'll do the same with another one. This time I'll use red paint. Now I can put it on. What do you think? It's good, huh?
Wow! Nice job!
It's a butterfly! It's the perfect outfit. And it was so easy. I love it! What are we waiting for? Let's party!
You need one more thing.
Ah, of course. Okay, let's go!
Sounds good to me.
You're so soft and squishy.
Happy birthday! I've got something for you.
Aw, you shouldn't have. That's so sweet. No way! I hope you like it. How did you know? It's just what I wanted. I can't wait to try it on. Huh? Wait a second. It doesn't fit. Can you believe it? Oh, I'm so sorry. I got the wrong size. What am I gonna do?
I think I have an idea. I know what to do. I'll take that. This'll definitely work. I'll pass it through the loops, but it'll only go halfway. Then I'll loop it back. Like this. Now I can fasten it. Ta-da! It fits!
Wow, thanks! It looks amazing!
It really suits you.
You're the best!
Whoa! Those pictures are so glamorous! I could totally do that. How hard is it to take a good selfie? It's all in the angle. Oh yeah! Work it, girl! Let's take a look. Seriously? How? Okay, it turns out the perfect selfie is hard. I wish I had a new look. Hold on. I have an idea. I can use my bracelets. I'll place it underneath my top. Then I'll pinch it and use a rubber band to secure it. I'll do this all the way along. It'll add some detail to my top. It won't be boring anymore. And it'll turn it into a crop top. Wow, I love it! But I still need to do something about my hair. But what? I think I know. Those flowers are beautiful. They would make the perfect hair accessory. Let's do this. I feel beautiful. Mother Nature would be proud. And my makeup? Wow. It's selfie time. That's more like it. I think these'll look good. Whoa! They're stunning! I look like I should be on a catwalk. Time to get my sweat on. I'm looking forward to this workout. I better get changed. I can't exercise like this. I love these sneakers. They're so colorful. And I'll need my sweats. They're so comfy. I mean, you have to look good when you're at the gym. Okay, where's my top? Ah, here it is. Wait, that's not right. I thought I washed this?
Ew.
But those sweat stains would say different. Ew, gross! I can't wear this! Yuck! Maybe there's a spare top around here. Hey, what's going on over there? Wait a second. I have an idea! Yeah, this might work. Yoink! I hope they don't mind. But these are desperate times. I'll lay the panties on a flat surface. I'll need a pair of scissors. I'll use them to make a cut down the center of the panties. That looks about right. Now I need to try it on. It makes a cute sports top. Help? Psst. Ashley, over here. Ashley! Huh? What is it? It's kind of embarrassing. I've lost my panties. You haven't seen them, have you? No. I have no idea what you're talking about. That top looks familiar. Like, really familiar. It couldn't be. Nah, that's ridiculous. Good luck finding them. Thanks. Just don't look in this direction. Thanks for the advice. Ah, that's a good stretch. It's so good to catch up. And to eat cake. Whoa! Look at her! She's so fashionable! I love this bag. It's just the cutest. Wow, it really is! I would love to have a bag like that. So anyway, I was talking to Kevin and he was so flirty. Ashley? What is it? Are you okay? Ashley? Snap out of it! What's going on? Look at that bag! It's like a love heart! I want it! Oh, right. If you want it, you'll get it. That's what friends are for. I'll be right back. Just gotta act natural. I'll try the direct approach. Excuse me. I'll have water and the margarita pizza. Oh, I thought you were a waiter. No. Hey, what's that over there? Huh? I can't see anything. See ya! It's the perfect crime. That's not good. Stop right there. You're going away for a long time. Yikes! I don't want that to happen. But what else can I do? I need to think about this. And quick. Such a pretty bag. She's going crazy. Wait a second. That's some good coffee. I need a caffeine fix. And I need the wool from your sweater. This'll be perfect. Did it get cold in here? Wait. Wasn't I wearing a sweater? I need a few more things. Let me see. Ooh. This'll do. Yoink! I think I have everything I need. I'll lay the plastic mesh on a flat surface. And I'll get a pair of scissors. I'll start making cuts in the plastic. I'll remove a long piece from the side. Just like this. Then I'll cut off 2 of the corners. I'll make a diagonal cut. This is the shape I want. Next I need a clasp. This butterfly will do the job. I'll place it on the plastic. This seems like a good spot. I want to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, now for the next part. I have a large plastic needle. I'll use the wool instead of thread. I need to weave the wool through the holes in the plastic. It's pretty easy to do. I just have to space it out. I'll do this all the way along. Making sure I don't leave any gaps. It's pretty relaxing. I want to cover it all. I'll attach a chain to the plastic, and I'll weave the wool through the links. Once I reach the end, I just need to pull the wool. I've got 2 small pieces of plastic. I'll place these at the side of the frame and sew them together. I'll hold the frame back until it resembles a bag. And then I can attach the chain. It looks great! I'll close over the flap. And turn the lock. I hope Ashley likes it. It's so soft. Hey, Ashley! Wow! Gimme! I love it! It's everything I've ever wanted! Huh. That's like my bag. I thought I had the only one. Nah, nah. I think I'm in love! I'm so glad that class is over. It's so warm in there. Phew. Wearing a hoodie was a bad choice. I need to take it off. Ah, that's better. I feel cooler already. I'll put it in my bag. It's not fitting. Too many books. Okay, I'll just carry it. Aw, come on. Are you kidding me? This is starting to get annoying. But it's fine. Just breathe. I know what to do. I'll just tie it around my waist. See? That wasn't so hard. And it looks good. Okay, I'll grab my bag and go. I don't want to be late for my next class. Uh-oh. Whoa! Ow! That really hurt. Hey! Are you an angel? I've been called worse. What are you doing on the floor? Let me help you up. Thanks. What happened? It's my stupid hoodie. I tied it around my waist and it slipped. Yeah, it's happened to me as well. But I have a great trick. Let me show you. Wear it across your body. Then fold the sleeves like this. Pull it tight, then wrap the sleeves like this. It makes sure it won't slip off. And it looks good. Whoa, that's awesome! It looks so good! I know. And it definitely won't fall off? Wait, I need to test it out. Hey, that's pretty good. Wow, it's blowing my mind. It changed my life. We better get to class. We all want to look good, but sometimes we can't go on a shopping spree. But we have these ingenious hacks that'll help transform your outfit. What's your best clothes hack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.
Like and subscribe for more great videos.